How to make your Wix website look great on all screen sizes. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make sure your Wix website looks amazing on any device, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. First, open your Wix website in the editor. At the top of the editor, you'll see options to switch between desktop and mobile views. Click on Mobile View to see how your site appears on smaller screens. Next, check all your text, images, and buttons. Make sure nothing is overlapping or cut off. You can resize, move, or hide elements specifically for mobile if needed, without affecting your desktop version. Wix also has strip and container layouts that adjust automatically, so consider using those for sections of your site. Always preview both desktop and mobile before publishing. Finally, click Preview and test your site on different screen sizes. Once everything looks perfect, hit Publish. And that's it. Your Wix website will now look great on any device. If this video helped, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.